Okay. What up, Bubs? It's your boy Youngbloods here, back with Far Cry 6 Part 20. Was the final part for part... was the final part for number 5. So this has already beaten it. No, I'm not gonna finish. I'm not gonna finish the game today.
Baby Tigre, while you're at the facility, there's someone I want you to look for.
Who?
Her name's Gabriella. She's a girl from the fishing village. Used to bring us food and supplies.
Gabriella.
Lorenzo used to tease her for her tattoos and her crazy hair colors. We loved her visits, until one day she told us she had some good news and said she'd be leaving Yara. That was the last time we saw Gabriella. My neighbor thought he saw her at that Biovita place.
Tattoos and colorful hair. I'll keep an eye out for her.
Gracias. I'm worried something terrible has happened.
Search the bio facility for evidence. Use phone. Aim at the target and use RB to take a photo.
I think I'm going to be sick. Castillo, you fucking monster. I need more pigs. What? Shit! What the fuck are they doing to these poor people? Pinga. What the fuck are they doing to these poor people? I need more pigs.
Need more pics for my Instagram.
Sounds coming from in there. I've got a bad feeling about this place. this bullshit about treating cancer. What are they doing? This should be enough to convince Lorenzo. El Tigre, I got the pics. You won't believe what they're doing to our people. It's horrific.
Oh, I believe it. But it's Lorenzo who needs convincing. And what about Gabriela?
I don't know what to tell you. She's gone.
I had a feeling. Okay, get those photos back to camp. It's time for Lorenzo to... wake up.
Yeah, fuck that place. That place is up. How am I still in combat? I'm out. How am I still in combat?
They're gone.
Good. Still thinks I'm in combat. This is dumb. One of the only problems of this game. For me, anyway. I'm not in combat, you fucking Dumbo. There we go. Da-da-da-da-da. Shack attack.
Guerrilla, can you use power tools?
Finally, some fun.
I hate that legends don't.
We were just kids, El Tigre.
Lorenzo, I took pictures of that place Horon was talking about. You swipe to the left.
They look free to you.
Mierda.
This is what Libertad and La Moral are fighting. You can hate us, but at least we're doing something about it.
No one deserves this, Lorenzo.
This is happening all over Yara. You just can't see it from so high up this mountain.
I can't look at this anymore. I didn't vote for Castillo. War is over.
So that was a waste?
Está bien. Shoot the tree.
Operation complete.
I hate that so many of these legends don't want to fight.
Oye, cállate.
Eh.
You done with that? To think, I'll
Younger
tell
than-
Yelena you're on your way.
3,000 things away. I haven't even been here yet. Like, jeez Louise. Oh, big stretch. Fucking leg. Yeah, there we go. Check that fucking hell controller. Can't wait for when I get the Series S and another controller. First thing I got. Somewhat relatively fast. Get it in that tractor. An asshole. Jesus. At least I'm wearing a helmet for if I do crash. This is a long ass trip. No one is saving you. That was fun. Good hit from top of my tires, motherfucker. What are you still doing? I just drove you out, I guess. Ah! KSG shotgun. Not bad. I think I'm gonna stick with my LMG, let us sniper. Although minigun, as fun as it is it really necessary these days? I don't know. Spares 12. So that's 2 shots and then done and dusted. What's this like? That's a shotgun. And incendiary round. Fuck you, let's just try it against this guy. Okay, I'm using this. I'm getting out of here anyway, so I can get to my location. Uncharted territory.
What's up, Horon?
There's some things you need to know about Yelena. She's mad smart. Computer science major, programmer. People think she's superpowered now, but when the shit goes down, she's a fighter.
How did a programmer become a guerrilla leader?
Guess you didn't see the video. Before there was a La Moral, Admiral Benitez executed our classmates.
Binga. They got that on video?
No. The next day, soldados stepped to us at the funeral. Yelena led us in the fight. We took out like 100 soldados. That shit was on video.
100 soldados.
Okay, maybe like 50. 15. Coño, I gotta go. Just spotted a soldado near our stash with his pants down. Literally, he's pissing and he doesn't see me. I'll call you back. Danny,
What's up, Horon?
Wait, that view actually looks quite beautiful. Look at that. Sexy. Let's swap. Actually, let's try out a different shotgun. Let's go to... No, wrong one. Let's rotate them around. So that improves the speed of place partially. Let's go with the classic Spez 12. Fuck that shit. Do another one just in case. Man, I feel like a woman. Actually, I don't. Feel like a motherfucker.
Y voila.
No. And gunpowder. How boring.
Lower your weapon.
Hi, how you doing? Long distance fucking OP gun, got a close range one, mid range, close range or something, and then this for helicopters, so I think I'm good.
Danny, where you at?
Getting close, I think.
You know, Yelena's the big boss. I'm team captain, and you won't be able to miss Gilberto.
Why? Who's Gilberto?
Only the most fabulous spy in all of Yara. You can't even fart in El Este without Gilberto's network hearing about it.
Spies and hackers. La Moral sounds like the real deal.
We don't
I'm only
fuck
23
around.
minutes in
And
and
if you've never been to
I feel like I've done a lot.
The place is on a curfew. When the sun goes down, soldados come out.
Sun
Thanks for the heads up.
I got a helicopter for us.
I'm glad you came. I'm glad I sorry.
Moron, Amat Maldito. Worth exploring or not?
Sí, sí.
I feel like singing
That
this.
place has a history of massacres that all started when that
Sorry.
genocide al hijo de puta Cristóbal Colón
Sun
stepped
goes
foot there.
down.
Oh, and it didn't end with him. Locals have
Who would
always
they
had a
do?
target on their back. I don't know what it is about that
Did
place.
he do what I think so? Yep.
Shit, truck.
They get crushed. Well, this is a fun road. What are you looking at? I'm running low on all things. Away we go. That was an interesting bit of road.
I'm at Concepcion. How do I find La Moral?
I'll send you
Conception.
a pic. Show it
Bull
over.
shark.
What are you sending me?
It will help you find the door. Don't forget the password and remember, curfew.
Jesus.
Nice cock.
Nice cock. Thanks. Nice and big. Got a big cock. Can I get in here, please? How do I get up there? Ow. Up I go again. Hello? A hazmat suit. Improves poison defense. Yeah, not gonna go for that. No, not that.
Strong looking bears.
Stay strong.
Move. Uh-huh. Hello?
Muerto el perro, se acabó la rabia.
Welcome to El Agujero. Try anything, and I'll cut your head off and use it as a football.
Nice to meet you too. My name's Danny.
Alfredo.
You know how much fucking guns I got on hand? I can kill you, mate. So much different ways. Yep. Sun goes down. High damage, close range, high speed pellets. Why not? Who has a suppressor on a shotgun? Honestly. Who throws a shoe? Honestly, mate.
I need 6 volunteers.
I'll talk to my people, honey.
Big Jorge Nana's gangs are probably on the ship.
You're Yelena?
Mierda.
Yelena.
Danny, right? Where's my medicine?
You mean Libertad's meds? I gave them to the Legends.
No. You handed it to some retirees shitting their diapers on top of a mountain. What could you possibly want from them?
We need more than bullets and guerrillas to take down Castillo. Like it or not, Yaranos love the Legends.
Clara Garcia loves her politics. Good luck getting those abuelos off their asses.
We could use Lamarel's help.
You know why Clara never told you about us? Because to her, we're just a bunch of kids playing with guns. She loves to talk about the future. But it's her future, not ours. Clara's just a Castillo who lost his dick.
So you have a better plan for Yara?
Bullets first, politics later.
You said you needed volunteers.
Admiral Benitez got the jump on us a couple of hours ago. She's holding my people hostage on a cargo ship.
I'll go.
Alone? I don't get it.
Consider us even for the meds.
Save my people, then I'll think about it.
Chicharron, get over here.
For real? Libertad? No shit. You saving our people, right?
That's the plan.
I know a farmer with a helicopter who can fly you out to the ship. Follow me.
So where's, I mean, there's a fucking mid box right outside. Fucking dummy.
Take old Irasol. Be nice to him.
Oh my fucking zebra.
Hey, a magic horse. Let's go. Be nice, horse.
It's a zebra!
You're with Libertad?
I am.
I think it would be great if we joined forces.
Yeah?
We've been fighting and we've been winning. But Admiral Benitez will always have more than we do. We kill one soldado today. Tomorrow they get replaced with 3 more. Where are you going? So, yeah.
And when La Moral people die, there's no one replacing them.
Nadie. On top of that, these farmers and the people just trying to survive. Where are you going? So, yeah.
You don't need to keep stopping, I'm right behind you, mate.
Farmers and the people just trying to survive don't want to fight. We need fresh blood. Real fighters.
What about getting the legends to join?
We tried. None of those abuelos want to fight. I heard a lot of them even support Castillo.
You heard wrong.
Well, I don't see any abuelos fighting now.
I'm working on it. So, how do these farmers get a helicopter?
They built it from the parts of ones we shot down. What's going on?
Just gonna quickly take this chest. Whatever it is.
Are you going to save those people? No can do, compai. I'm the
Bye.
only one who can get this bird off the ground. I need to keep this bird in one piece.
Okay.
Yelena called. Do you want to lift to that boat?
Let's do this.
Hopin, let's fly.
TikTok, Libertad.
I can fly myself, thank you very much, you idiot.
My name's Calixto.
Danny.
I'm going to be careful and stay low. I'll get you as close as I can.
So where did you learn how to fly?
I did my basic service as a pilot a couple of years ago. I got kicked out for calling the captain a come mierda.
I was kicked out of the ground forces. Turns out drill sergeants don't like getting punched in the throat.
Good to know. I never seen you before. When did you join La Moral? Wait. I was told you were with La Moral.
I'm doing this rescue as a favor. I'm with Libertad. What can you tell me about La Moral?
You know that village? They call it Maldito.
That the real name?
Yeah. Some Spaniard named it back in 1490.
This is the slowest flying ever.
Couple months ago, Admiral Benitez decided to make it illegal to go to the water.
This
and
isn't a
fish.
tour, just go to
People
the
protested.
ship.
Benitez executed half the town. So what does La Moral do? They tracked and killed every last soldado who did the executing. And I'm not talking about guerrilla ambush jungle shit.
And why you got the
following
fucking
them to
wipers
their
on?
homes
It's not
and
raining.
slitting their throats while their families slept. Assassin shit. These kids are smart, coordinated, and cold-blooded.
Sounds like it.
That's Shop Pass. We keep tabs on military convoys passing through there and report them to La Moral.
Seems like they run a tight operation.
These kids are on the ball. Yelena is more organized than the military. La Moral's got our back. When Admiral Benitez started getting rough with our families,
Go
La
to
Moral
the
got
ship.
rough back. Killed any soldado who dared to step foot on our lands.
Just think if
Pretty
I was
soon,
flying,
they'll
I'd be
stop
there by
bombing.
now. I'd be on it, not here.
That's the ship. I can't get you any closer.
This is great. Gracias, mi amigo.
Bye.
Okay. Watch yourself, Danny.
En posición. Cambio.
Night night.
We'll back up now.
I will make another round once I'm done.
Oh, my things are back.
No, I heard something that time.
See how much Eating their hash.
Let me go!
You're the cafeteria, La Moral? You look like a joke. What? Every minute away. There's people in here! Help us! George, help us! Is everybody out there?
Ya casi tiempo de irse de ronda de nuevo.
Did I?
Can't let them escape.
Gotcha!
They put some of our fighters in a container over the hole. Save them!
Getting their hash.
What the fuck was that?
Showing up there.
Por favor! We're moving! What's going on?
I'm on the ship. I freed as many as I could.
Hang tight. I am sending boats and backup.
Gracias.
This is Admiral Benitez. To the fake Yaran terroristas, I have you right where I want you. At this very minute, military forces are heading to your position. I recommend laying down your weapons and taking one last look at a nation that does not want you. Instead of peacefully serving Yara as outcasts, you will die.
In the air.
Right here. Right now.
at all. Play out the plane. Slow as fuck. Accidentally fired. Fuck, I suck with this thing and it's slow at turning. By the time I turn, he's fucking long gone. Shit. Fuck this thing. There's one. Where'd the other go? So many planes. You can aim that high. So many. Jesus. So much fucking planes. How much fucking is there?
Where are those boats, Yelena?
I'm waiting for you to clear the air.
Can somebody tell those planes to hold still?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you know where they are?
Reinforcements are on their way, Libertad.
Coño. I should have called earlier.
The boat should be there any minute. Keep it up.
What the fuck is that plane at?
Before they send reinforcements!
Oh, fucking hell. Oh, she's mine. Nah. Oh.
Yelena, it's done. Your people are safe.
I heard.
We even for the supplies?
Fuck yeah.
Need me for anything else?
Come back to El Agujero. Shit is getting real. We need to rally our people and talk next steps.
Dale.
Coño. I feel like bad shit's gone down here.
So, I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe, comment, this goes up, and bye!